It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's a Holden. Made in Australia at Fisherman's Bend. It's a concept car again, the Holden Hurricane. Did go 1969, so it's been around for a long time. It's their first ever concept car. Feature reversing camera and GPS in the 60s. Holden Hurricane never made it onto the market. This one's on display at the National Motor Museum at Birdwood in South Australia. You either love it or you hate it. Who would ever think that was a Holden? So the Hurricane, concept car, never made it onto the market. Gull-wing doors, lots of interesting concepts there. Holden Hurricane, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and tell us about concept cars you know.